Did you know there are 2 feed dogs on your serger? The serger has 2 feed dogs, whereas your sewing machine has 1 feed dog. And you'll notice this right away when you look over here and you see how long the presser foot is on your serger. The 2 feed dogs allow you to have a really specific control called differential feed. Differential feed is a feature on the machine, usually controlled by a dial, and on this machine here, it's the bottom dial. And that allows you to increase or decrease the speed of the first feed dog. It is so essential to understand this control on your serger. It allows you to manipulate the fabric to make it go a little bit faster or a little bit slower to compensate for the different characteristics of the materials that you're using. And the most obvious example is when we're working with stretch fabrics. So when we're working with stretchy fabrics, those tend to stretch and they can distort and get wavy. If you've ever sewn with a stretchy fabric on your sewing machine, you may have noticed that the seam didn't really stay flat, got a little bit wavy and bubbly. And differential feed is how we can actually control that and fix that with our serger. So if we are working with a stretchy fabric, we want to increase the differential feed. So it basically is making the first feed dog go either a little bit faster or a little bit slower, depending on what you need. So for knit fabrics, oftentimes we're going to increase that number and the fabric is going to go a little bit faster into the machine. And that will just balance out the distortion that might be happening with the way that the presser foot is feeding and pulling the fabric through the machine. So this is just one tiny piece of the puzzle for the serger, and I've got lots more tips and tricks to share with you. Just let me know what are the things that you really want to learn the most, that you really don't understand on the serger. Let me know, did you already know about differential feed?